Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to disconnect your speaker JBL Grip from your Android device. You have to start by open settings and then go to the Bluetooth or connected devices. At the device list, click the information icon or settings icon near to your speaker. And right here at the right side we have the button disconnect. You need to tap at this button, but if you want to just stop Bluetooth connection with your speaker, but leave it at the device list to reconnect your speaker in the future, you need to select disconnect. And if you want to totally remove your speaker from your phone, you need to click at the forget device or forget this device or remove or unpair button. But let's disconnect it. So disconnect, and as I tell you, I just stop Bluetooth connection with this speaker, but still have it at the device list, and I can easily reconnect this speaker. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!